Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel at Taslima Art. I'm Taz, and today I'm unboxing and reviewing this gorgeous paint by numbers kit from a company called HouseArt UK, featuring a beautiful large painting of roses and leaves. So if you've ever wanted to create your own artwork but needed a little guidance, this kit might be perfect for you. A big thank you to all my Patreon members, subscribers and viewers. Thank you for supporting my channel. Links to the products you see in this video, including the lion and flower painting, will be down below. Hi fellow art enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. A HouseArt Paint by numbers kit, and HouseArt UK sent me this package. I'm about to unbox it for you. I can't wait to see what these look like. So whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner looking to explore your creative side, this kit promises to be a delightful experience. Let's dive in and see what's inside. So I'm just going to open it up. It's been packaged quite well actually. Looking at this, I can feel the bubble wrap inside. Let's just try and touch all the way down, I think, to begin with. Whoa, okay, so we've got this piece. Take that packaging away. Turn it around. Okay, so there's a bit of cardboard here. Some lovely colours. And let's just try and unpack the rest of it now. See what the best way is. It's just taped up on the side, I think, so I'll cut the tape off rather than anything else. I don't want to damage the canvas inside. First impressions are everything. Right off the bat, the packaging feels pretty sturdy. I mean, it's packaged quite securely. Oh, there's another tape. Quite a lot of tape though. Okay, let's take the other side off now. If I turn it around, I can see the tape. There we go. So there's two separate packages. So I'm guessing we'll have a look at this one first. Oh, okay. So it's wooden slats, and I'm pretty sure this is the frame that the actual artwork will sit inside, and we have to assemble this. But I'm not 100% sure until I have a look at it. Let's get one of these pieces out. So yeah, so this looks like the canvas will fit inside this stretched frame. I might be wrong, but I'll have to see. There's lots of pieces of wood in this package. I'm going to leave that. Yeah, I'm going to leave that alone. Let's put that over there. Right, let's have a look at this packet. I don't think I need scissors for this. And voila, time to see what comes out. Oh, I can feel quite thick canvas texture. Well, there's nothing else inside this box. We'll pop that over there and have a look at this. So I'm just going to move this up here. And again, it's paint by numbers. This is a canvas, so you can see with lots of etching on it. First impressions are everything. And to me, it does look and feel like a high quality canvas in terms of its texture and weight. And I can also see that it's been pre-printed with number outlines that I can see. And it does include a paper replica of the design, included I assume for reference purposes, which is a nice touch. Oops, I'll move that up here to see what this is inside. So immediately I can see a set of brushes. So they're in various sizes and perfect for tackling the different areas of the painting, because there's larger brushes for broader strokes and thinner ones for finer details. So that's what these look like. Quite a lot of them actually. I'm quite surprised how many there are. Wow, quite a lot of brushes, and some of the detail ones are tiny. Look at those. Really tiny, perfect. And I can use those for other things as well, I guess. They've also included some hanging equipment so I can hang my canvas up on the wooden frame, and I just love these brushes. They're so detailed and pointy, but there's such variation between them, as you can see, and it's easier to get into those tiny little cells that are on that canvas, because this was a more complicated canvas in terms of the number of colours that I'm using, 48 in total. Wow, look at that. I'm going to put the pictures up of what this actually is. You'll be able to tell. I wonder if you can guess yet. If you can't, I'll show it to you. And then the second one here is another canvas. And we've got this. So this is a reference picture on paper that's printed with all the different cells of a beautiful bunch of roses with buds and leaves included, and the corresponding numbers in the cells. And this, I'll show you a picture of that as well in a moment. And it's very thick. It's really, really thick. What else have we got? The things that we've got here are acrylic paints. So for this particular painting kit of the roses, there's a set of 48 different colours with individually numbered pots. On the HouseArt UK website, you can choose between 24 colours, 36 colours or 48 colours for the designs, depending on your level of complexity that you want. So they look quite interesting, don't they? I can take the packaging off. There's an awful lot of paints here. Wow, look at this. Oh yeah, the first one, if you couldn't see, is this picture of a lion. Beautiful lion with flowers all around him. Stunning picture. That was the first one you just saw there. And all of these acrylic paints, lots of vibrant and numbered acrylic paint. Each colour obviously corresponds to a specific number on the canvas, making it easier to follow along and fill in the sections. So similar to diamond art, this is very therapeutic to do, I think. This will be very therapeutic to do. I'm looking forward to having a go. Also, my kids would love to join in to do this. So I'm grateful to HouseArt for sending us these to trial out and see what they're like. And if you're not very confident with painting off the bat, you know, on your own, this is a really good way to get started, I think. And also if you're looking for a hobby, that it's not necessarily easy, but it's slow and it's something you can take your time with and relax with and kind of, you know, look at it as a bit of therapy. This is a really good way to go. This picture's actually upside down. Let me just get that the right way around for you so you can see it. So that's the right way around. Beautiful roses. I can't wait to see this finished. And once I've finished painting it, you can see, like, for example, all the corresponding numbers on the tubes of paints, acrylic paints, with each of the numbers on the canvas. Some of those are very, very small, the number printing, which is why they gave you that magnifying glass, I guess. But yeah, once this is painted up, I can actually then stretch it and put it into the frame that they've sent, you know, the frame that they've sent me, and it should look fabulous on the wall. I can't wait to try it. The other things that they gave quickly was just these pins. So obviously once you stretch the canvas, you've managed to pin it to this wooden frame at the back, and it just looks great then when you hang it up on the wall. So they've supplied all the pins for that as well, which is fantastic. So all we've got to do now is really get started. We've got the hanging kit, the brushes, the acrylic paints, the canvas itself, the 2 sets of canvases. So I'm looking forward to spending some time with this kit and seeing what the results are. The colours do look very rich. The canvas looks very durable. It's a very thick material, a very thick canvas material, which is really good. So we'll see what happens. So whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or searching for a thoughtful gift for somebody else, HouseArt's Paint by Numbers kit could be a fantastic choice. So they've currently got a buy 2 get 1 free offer on the website, and free shipping. So that's a really good deal, a deal hard to resist. So I suppose you could have a look at that as well. And the one thing I noticed, I mean, they told me to choose 2 prints, and I chose these 2. But honest to God, if you look at their website, they have got so many different prints of such beautiful things that you won't believe how many they've got. So it says on their website they have an extensive selection of styles covering over 200 themes and featuring more than 10,000 patterns or designs. Some of them are very stunning, some of them are quite well known, some of them are rather obscure but beautiful. So they're constantly refreshing their product offerings as well, and you can check that out. You can check the themes. If you like painting portraits, if you like painting scenery, or, you know, any number of things, you can find almost anything on their website with 10,000 patterns, 10,000 designs. So have a good look. If you want to buy something for your kids or for somebody who's not very confident with painting, I think this is a really good idea. We've also got some, just notice these canvas hanging or frame hanging things here, so that's really useful as well, I guess. So yeah, have a look at the website and see what you think. Right, let's pop this down here. I think I'm going to start with the rose and start painting that, so you'll see some more footage of me doing this soon, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to be showing you a time lapse of me painting this, and my daughter, who is 6 years old, will be helping me, Sophia, and we are having so much fun just spending time together and doing this little project together. And there's a couple of things that we notice. The printing quality really stands out because the numbers are easy to read, even the smaller numbers and cells, and the outlines are quite well defined on the thick canvas. And also the paint consistency was smooth and creamy, so it wasn't too thick or runny, which makes it easy to apply using the brushes that they provided. The brushes are decent quality. The fine tips work great for tiny areas, though you might want to use your own more high detail brushes if you're super precise. Now I started painting section by section, and honestly it is super relaxing. The colours are vibrant and they did blend beautifully. One thing I did notice, however, was that even after 2 coats, some of the darker numbers were still faintly visible through the lighter paints, and you may need a 3rd layer for full coverage, especially in lighter sections like the whites and pastels. So I'm going to play a little bit of music for you while you kick back and relax and watch me create this beautiful artwork.
I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me? It only took one kiss to know that you're everything I need, everything I need. So tell me now, because I just have to know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else, like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. About you is the reason I can't spend one more day without you. Oh, so tell me, girl, 'cause I really wanna know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone?
So to summarise my review for this product from HouseArt, I think it's a very high quality canvas that you get. It's thick, well printed and easy to work with, and all of the different numbers are easy to read and the outlines are very well defined, so the print quality really stands out. There's a wide colour range depending on your expertise, but you can get up to 48 shades, which means more dimension and realistic results. It's a very relaxing, therapeutic process, and it's great for things like stress relief or mindful crafting. You can choose to have a wooden frame included, and this makes display super easy once you're done. Some of the cons would be that sometimes the numbers do show through, especially in the lighter colours, so you'll need up to 3 coats for full coverage or to lay on the paint as thick as you possibly can. And also the brush quality is really good, but if you're a perfectionist you might want to upgrade to better brushes, though that's not really necessary. So overall, I'm really happy with this kit from HouseArt. It delivers a relaxing and rewarding painting experience, and the finished result is going to look stunning once I'm done, especially once it's framed and put up on the wall. So if you don't mind doing a 3rd coat here and there, it's well worth it for how polished the final piece looks. I'd give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. Now you'll see some footage of my daughter, who's 6, trying this out. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this kit or other HouseArt kits, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more creative reviews, and do stay till the end. You'll really enjoy it, I'm sure. Hi Sophia, what are you doing?
Painting with you.
Oh, you're doing this paint by numbers piece, are you?
Yes, I'm doing all the 7s.
All the 7s, which means the big creamy bits.
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Yes. The creamy bits kind of look white.
They do, don't they?
Yeah.
Almost, but not quite.
I need another one, another 7 pot.
You need another 7. Good job they gave us loads.
Yes.
Yep, let's finish that one.
We might need 10.
We might need quite
And
a
they
few.
just gave us 5.
No, there's more in the house.
Oh.
I didn't
How
bring
much?
them all out.
Painty.
I think you need a bigger brush than that.
Yes.
Yeah, you probably
I'll
won't.
show you the brush that I'm going to use from now on.
Oh my goodness, that's a bit too big.
Okay. Then this one.
So Sophia, do you think grown-ups do this or children?
Both.
Both? Why do you think both do it?
I don't know.
Do you think kids enjoy this?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So you've been enjoying doing this?
Yes.
What other colours did you do?
I've done that,
Oh yes.
which was a 40.
Yep. So we will finish this artwork soon and post a final photo in the community section of YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you. And don't forget, every Saturday at 1 PM EST, 6 PM UK, you can join me on the Creative Art Collective collaboration, and I hope to see you in the live chat. But you can always catch the replays too. So up next today will be Let's Pour with Patty. Please find the playlist down below. Bye for now.